Yeah, what a beautiful day for a drive, huh?
Yeah, but it's that time of year again. You know how those humans get.
Yeah, I sure do. I tell you, they just jump right out in front of you. I'll never understand it.
Look, they're coming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now!
I didn't even see him, man. They jumped out of nowhere.
It's okay, buddy. We'll call Anderson Collision Center and they'll fix everything. Come on.
At Anderson Collision Center, we know how scary it can be when accidents happen. Let us get you back on the road, stress-free.
You saw him, right? He jumped right out.
Yeah, but you were texting.
I was changing the playlist.
To hit me, baby, one more time.
Anderson Collision Center. We understand accidents happen.